If your roast dinners need a flavor upgrade, you're going to love this one. Today, we're making a Brazilian savory onion and cumin roast seasoning that's savory, aromatic, and perfect for creating beautifully seasoned meats with minimal effort. Full recipe link is in the description below. Into your mixing bowl, add 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder to create the savory foundation of this blend. Next, add 2 teaspoons of sweet paprika, 2 teaspoons of sea salt, and 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper for balance, color, and depth. Then add 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground coriander to bring in layers of herbaceous flavor. And finally, add 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper for a gentle smoky warmth and optional heat. Give everything a thorough mix until the seasoning is evenly blended and the colors are fully combined. At this point, you can already smell the rich onion, cumin, and herb flavors coming together. Here's a question for you. What's the one homemade seasoning you simply can't live without in your kitchen? While you're thinking about that, don't forget to like this video, share it with a fellow food lover, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a new recipe. So here you go with your Brazilian savory onion and cumin roast seasoning. This recipe makes approximately 1/2 cup of seasoning, and for best results, use about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of seasoning per kilogram of meat, adjusting to taste. If you're making a larger batch or saving some for later, simply transfer it to an airtight spice jar. Store it in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, and it'll stay fresh for up to 6 months. Some seasonings are made for a single recipe, but this one is made for creating traditions around the dinner table. Give it a try on your next roast, and let us know in the comments what you paired it with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with more homemade flavors from SpiceRally.